Good evening, Kat. We say hello, love again to you.
Hello again.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Hello. Okay, your performance was spectacular.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you. You as well. So, I have to know, how long did it take to perform? To prepare for the performance?
Actually, I started preparing for that prod, I think, last week, but then G-Force, headed by Ritz, he was preparing for it, I think, for like a month. And then they were very patient, so I'd like to thank Teacher Jercel and G-Force for being so supportive. And of course, the preparation for the body, it took months of preparation. Ever since I did the TVC, I continued working out with my trainer, which is Mauro Lumba. I think he is here. He is the Supermod 2014 winner.
Oh.
He's been very patient as well, so shout out to my trainer.
Oh, there he is.
Time to eat, papi. So yeah, marami. So I have G-Force for the dance, and then Mauro to prepare my body, and also lots of activities maybe.
And also your diet. Every single day, Century Tuna.
Exactly. Healthy and balanced diet, of course, with the help of Century Tuna. And yeah, after this event, I know what to eat now. Everything is ready, and I'll just reward myself after this.
We all know the preparations. We've been talking about it backstage. Now, Kat, you are gracing the finals 9th stage. In your own opinion, how can someone be their best you ever versions of themselves?
I think to become the best version of ourselves, it comes with growth. And ang galing because the campaign for Century Tuna, it's just so empowering to be part of a movement like this. And for me, as long as you have awareness and you have the willingness to grow every day, I think that itself, it's being the best version of yourself. And for me, I believe in the 1% habit. I don't know if you're familiar with
what
the 1%.
What is the 1% habit?
Like every day, you try to be a 1% better.
Ah, yes.
Oh.
I heard it on podcast, actually.
From Atomic
it.
Habits. So I just keep that in mind every day that you can't do anything overnight. So 1% progress, little wins, little progress, and you give yourself a few months and maybe a few years or maybe a year, and then you'll see a huge difference. But so you have to keep in mind that it won't happen overnight. Just baby steps.
I think it's being patient and persistent and not giving up, right?
Yep.
Oh, I love it. We got queens right here on the stage. Well, Kat, is it safe to say, Kat, that we're looking at the best version of yourself right now?
To be honest, I think I'm a work in progress. Not yet.
Not yet.
But I try to be better every day, but I just turned 28 and I feel like ang dami pang mangyayari, and I'm just open to change and transformation now. So I think I have the best family with me, which is Century Tuna, to support me as I become the best version of myself. So thank you to my Century Tuna family.
Great answer.
I actually